Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 4 of chapter 4, integers. Today we shall learn addition of integers. So I shall explain it with some examples. Question number 1. Add the following integers: 1, 2, 3, 5 and 2, 1, 3, 7. Here both the integers are positive numbers. So the solution will be like 1, 2, 3, 5 and 2, 1, 3, 7 both are positive integers. Therefore, rule number 1, we are following rule number 1. Sum of absolute values of the given numbers or given integers are absolute value of 1, 2, 3, 5 plus absolute value of 2, 1, 3, 7. So absolute value of 1, 2, 3, 5 is 1, 2, 3, 5 and absolute value of 2, 1, 3, 7 is 2, 1, 3, 7. Therefore, the sum of the two integers is 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 5 plus 2, 1, 3, 7, which is equal to 3, 3, 7, 2. Question number 2. Find the sum of minus 235 and minus 391. Here both the integers are negative, so we have to use the rule 2 for addition. Sum of absolute values of minus 235 and minus 391 is 235 and plus 391, which is equal to 626. Both the numbers are negative, so we have to put a negative sign before the sum of the numbers. So minus 235 plus minus 391 is equal to minus 626. Next, question number 2. Add the following. Question number 1, minus 367 and 725. Solution is like, here one integer is positive and one is negative. So we have to follow rule number 3. Therefore, we shall find the absolute values of the given integers. Absolute value of minus 367 is 367. Same way, absolute value of 725 is 725. Now, we have to find the difference of the absolute values because one number is positive, one is negative. So the difference of the absolute values will be the sum of the integers. 725 minus 367 is 358. Here 725 is greater than 358. The given numbers 725 is greater than 358 and 725 is positive integer. The greater number is positive, so the sum is also positive. As the greater number is positive, the sum is positive. I am repeating again. Therefore, minus 367 plus 725 is equal to 358. Now let us check with question number 2. Minus 5721 and 2998. The same way, we shall find the absolute values of minus 5721, which is equal to 5721, and absolute value of 2998 is 2998. Following the rule 3, 5721 is greater than 2998, but 5721 is a negative integer. Therefore, the sum of the integers will be a negative integer. Therefore, the sum will be a negative integer. Now, following rule 3, the difference of the absolute values 5721 minus 2998 is equal to 2723. Therefore, minus 5721 plus 2998 is equal to minus 2723. Because the larger integer is negative, the sum is also negative. We have to put a negative sign before the difference of the absolute values of the given integers. Now let us check some questions from exercise 4.2. Find the sum of minus 7, 15, minus 9, 19, 27 and minus 2. So I have to add the given integers. So I shall write it in one line. Minus 7 plus 15 plus minus 19 plus 27 plus minus 2. To find the sum, first we shall make a group of positive and negative integers. So here we can see that 15 and 27 are positive integers, and we shall make group of negative integers minus 7, minus 19 and minus 2. So 15 plus 27, the sum is 42, and the sum of the negative integers is 28. So we get 42 plus minus 28. Absolute value of 42 is 42 and absolute value of minus 28 is 28. As it is the given integers 42 and minus 28, one is positive and one is negative, we have to follow rule 3, that is we have to find the difference of 42 and 28. The difference is 14. Therefore, the result is, or the sum is 14. 42 is greater than 28 and 42 is a positive integer, so 14 is also positive. Question number 4. Add the following integers 51 and minus 63. So we shall find the absolute values of 51 and 63. We get 51 and 63. Therefore, the difference of the absolute values 63 minus 51 is 12. We have to find the difference because one number is positive and one number is negative. So we have to follow rule 3. So the difference of absolute values will be the given sum. 63 is greater than 51, but 63 is negative, so the sum is also negative. Therefore, minus 63 plus 51 is minus 12. Question number 5. Find the successor of each of the following. Question number 1, minus 31. Now, what is a successor? Successor is the number we get when we add 1 to the given number. So successor of minus 31 is minus 31 plus 1, which is equal to minus 30. I have done the rough work with red ink. You can check it. Absolute value of minus 31 is 31. Absolute value of 1 is 1. 31 minus 1 is 30. As 31 is a negative number, so the result will also be a negative number. Therefore, the sum is also negative. So minus 31 plus 1 is minus 30. Therefore, successor of minus 31 is minus 30. Homework I have given from exercise 4.2. Classwork Also from exercise 4.2, question number 4 and question number 5, you try this and submit by evening. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.